finally got both my windows sealed up from the outside. It's spitting rain, so I'm gonna wait to take that one out, but I still have to do that one. So what I'm gonna do right now is some inside stuff. So I'm gonna cut my insulation and install that. Thick stuff. Look at that. Woo. I've never actually insulated anything before, so this is my first time for that. First time for windows, first time for insulating, first time for building an RV. So here's what I'm doing with this stuff. Just taking a tape measure, 8 inches wide in the front. So I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Putting the backing first. 8 straight across. Take my knife and cut it out. Voila! I'm doing it this way. I actually have no idea if it's supposed to go this way or this way, but you know, this makes sense, right? That is a lot more insulation. Kind of makes a fella wonder. I'll just leave that. 2 more there. This is gonna be a well-insulated camper by the time I'm done with it. Probably overkill. That's okay. You guys, I freaking forgot to update you. I got it insulated. Now I'm house wrapping it. Just stapling this down around the insulation. What the frick was that? So I'm just using this to hold the insulation down and use it as a vapor barrier. It was given to me for free, so figured why not use it if anywhere in the front where all the drafting might come from. Now, add a few staples. I don't want staples. But you get the gist. I'm just gonna keep going. I've got that window sealed, that window sealed, that window sealed. Now, I finally get to go around and insulate them with my great stuff. It says to shake it for a minute. Vigorously. There we go. I'm getting the hang of it. Well, I'll let that do its thing. I'll do this one. She's all patched up. So what I'm gonna do now is just toss out some of the crap. So I really want to install my bed now. I know I'm gonna get rid of this little area I'm standing in. I'm just gonna put an overhead. Might be inconvenient, but I think it'd be better. Plus then I could just more options for what I want to use for a mattress. So I'm gonna put the plywood over this and have it be a full-size dealio. So I want to do that now. I think it's ready. There we go. Come on. Got a wrestler. Here we go. How am I gonna get this thing turned? I bet the other one was put in 2 pieces. I don't want to do that. Get it crossways. Oh, get out of there. Oh, it's so close. Oh, I got it on. Woo! I didn't think I was gonna get it. Oh, I think she's gonna go. Yes. Okay. I guess I could force it down. It's gonna break a little bit off. Not much. Or none at all. What the heck? Oops. Ah! Tuck and roll. Oh! What do you think? This is my new bed. I need a beer. It is Friday. This is actually pretty comfortable. Rest me weary bones. Did you think I was gonna get that in? I didn't. How are you doing? Oh yeah. I can deal with this. I think the most fun thing about this camper is driving it, to be honest. Oh no! I insulated my screen open. I better cut that. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Well, I'm gonna cut that, but I'm getting exhausted. Probably take a break after rattling this bad boy around. Alright, catch you guys on the flip side.